Hey Joey, what you doing today?
Okay, I was gonna fix this trailer. I built this trailer like 8 years ago, at least. And my boss gave it to use. One of those cheaper guys, and they busted. They bring it back. He looks up with the tire, expensive tire.
So he sent one of our guys on delivery, and he came back with the trailer like this. And he said, I don't know what happened, it just fell off. I don't think they ever just fell off though.
Oh, but we don't have the brake, bro.
Oh, the brake's still good. Just a little greasy. Yeah, so we're just gonna put the hub and drum on because I gotta run and take a delivery. So we're not gonna worry about the brakes right now. What's wrong there?
You don't go through this.
You got the wrong size socket.
No, bro. That's the right one.
It's like, oh, it's like smooth. What's wrong with it there?
Hey, look at that. It's flat.
Like you hit something, huh?
I told you.
Like grinded on something. What size socket? 1.5 inch?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you see the little spring right here?
Yeah, with the spring. Look.
Nice. So that goes to tell you that it didn't just fall off. Right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Everything is just stuck right there, the washer. This guy, he's driving that trailer for, wow.
All the way there, all the way back.
I guess so, bro, something, but
that doesn't make any sense. Like, what? Okay, so I'm confused because if this was grinding on, say, the pavement, I don't even see how that's possible because it's still up in the air, so...
Well, because by the time doing this, the hubs is the one that's doing this, grinder.
Oh, the hub?
Yeah, this, before the tire and wheel coming out complete, that thing him making a bunch of smoke and all kind of crap and thing before that happened.
And he's just riding down the road?
Yeah, you don't care. See? I mean, there's not going to be like a boom, like this, quick to doing it. No, they just burn it up. And like, pieces everywhere. I mean...
Yeah, really, we would need to replace the brakes. We're just out of them right now. That's why we're not doing it, so...
Honestly, I don't know if this one's going to come up. It's already melted.
Oh my gosh, you just want to throw a new axle on it?
Actually, right here, you can feel like bent. I mean, it don't matter in here because it's, I mean, you know, nothing in here. I just need to save the part where the bearings go and the inside. Like this one, see this one is coming on this. But this one is the one that
It got all jacked up.
yeah, look at the bottom, not even looks. Oh my gosh. People.
Sometimes it doesn't pay to have people do stuff for you. Don't ever lend your trailer out either.
It's really new and not even used it very much.
They'll buy the best. That guy.
Steal the paint right there. Started it up and look at the good primer put it on.
I know, compared to all these other trailers we've sold in the past, I mean, your trailer has lasted with the paint job versus all these other ones we have.
Oh yeah.
With the custom pinstripe too.
Oh yeah.
You always know it's built by Chewy if it has these custom pinstripes on it.
Oh yeah. Oh, what's going on with those guys?
I don't know.
Wow.
So just replace the whole thing? Okay, so Chewy, what Chewy's done here is he's used our hydraulic jack right here and over there to prop up the trailer so he can just get underneath it real quick. And he's just getting off these 17.5 tires and wheels. Well, the other, you only have to get off one because the other one's gone. And just so you see, we're running the 17.5 wheels actually with the 9/16 studs here and just the standard cone nuts because that's what we do. Yeah, this still looks brand new because it is. Even though the trailer is 6 or 7 years old, that's how much we use it.
7 times?
Now he's taking off those.
Oh, this is a little bitty baby.
Oh,
This is 3016.
that should be okay.
Look.
So,
Oh, that's a big problem.
that's the problem.
No, bro, it's not even 3016.
Oh my gosh.
Look. No way.
That one.
That's a little bitty.
What size is it? 3/4 socket. Okay.
That's it. Look.
What? Battery dead? Oh my gosh. So I'm just looking at Chewy's trailer he built. Looks like he did a pretty good job under here. Pretty good work.
Hey, what are you doing with the ramp with that trailer, Cuba?
What ramp?
With the came with this trailer.
They didn't come with no ramps.
Come on, bro.
You said you gave them to some. Okay, give it.
One down, 20 more to go. Hold on your horses.
Give me my thing.
Come on, bro. Come on.
What? Oh, he's gonna go ahead and do that. So. Okay. You like how I was holding up the axle?
Huh?
I was holding up the axle in case it decided to fall down on me. What's this for?
That's for the U-bolt, this is for them.
Oh. Okay. So that was a 22 to take off the spring bolt. And then 3/4 inch for this U-bolt. Oh my god. Chewy, this is welded on.
Bro.
It looked like it was.
Yep. Hey,
See?
get it help?
You need help, sir. Hammer?
Take it off, bro. Here you go.
Shut up. Look, I got my own hammer. It working. Okay, I'm done. What?
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm exploring different ways to get this touch light off.
Oh my god.
Okay, done. Yeah, so just in case you don't know, we're just having to replace the wax. Come on, Patron. Nah, you didn't even hit it all the way out. Okay.